Multicultural Center. Thank you to Vito Bruno for helping to make tonight. Special acknowledgement as well for a few of our out-of-town guests. Celine Reza, who is the producer of the Celine Reza musical show, is over at table 2 on Saturday. He's from Calgary, well, in from Calgary this weekend. And also, so is Ravi and his wife, Ravi Kumar, who is also actually a Shaw employee and also a producer of amazing videos. He does a Survivor Series TV show that broadcasts on Shaw Multicultural. And both have flown in from Calgary to be part of today's event. So thank you, Ravi. And now I'm going to call on my friend Sunyowa to be part of our introduction and to speak to the importance of culture and the importance of holding on to culture. I'd like you to know a little bit about Sunyowa. He is the founder of Buffalo Park Medicine Healing Society, which is creating understanding through participation in Indigenous culture. Sunyowa has developed his unique set of educational materials and tools focused on the traditions of his ancestral people and those given to him by other Indigenous communities. We have worked together on a number of great videos over the past few years, and I have so much respect for him, and I'm so glad that we became friends. So I'd like to call you to the mic now to say a few words.